Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So first let's open settings, then we should go to the shortcuts and accessibility, then switch to the accessibility, go to the Talkback, and here you can enable it. Tap allow, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people.
Okay, so
to
tell you this quickly, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, you tap on this text icon, text banner, and this whole text gets spoken out loud. For example, you tap on the button,
double tap to activate,
and this button gets spoken out loud too. So to activate it, you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Close tutorial.
Close. Double tap.
Talkback. Double tap to activate.
So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, you tap on the switcher, double tap, stop, please,
Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.